Hi there, I'm Dr. Robert Floyd. I'm a board-certified MD specializing in functional medicine, and today I am here with Zonya. Did you know that when your face looks puffy in the morning, it's easy to blame sleep or hormones, but much of your puffiness may be coming from something else. It comes from the little things that you never think about. The coffee you drink, the eggs you have for breakfast, and even maybe the toothpaste that you use daily. Most people try to fix puffiness with creams or massages or pricey treatments, but they don't work because the problem isn't in your skin. It's deeper in your body, where what you're trying can't even reach. Scientists have discovered a simple 60-second morning routine that reduces the appearance of puffiness. It's safe, easy, and you can do it anywhere. But first, you need to know what's really causing the puffiness. You see, the real cause is something almost nobody talks about. When you go to sleep at night, your body changes the way it works. During the day, when you're upright and moving, gravity naturally pulls fluid down towards your legs and feet. This keeps fluid from collecting in your face so that your eyes stay clear and your skin looks normal. But when you lie down to sleep, gravity no longer pulls fluid down to your legs. Instead, that fluid moves to other parts of your body, like your face, your hands, and the area around your eyes. That's why you wake up looking puffy. The fluid has shifted while you were sleeping. Now, there's more happening while you sleep that makes this much worse. When you're awake, you're breathing deeply, you're moving, your heart is pumping blood efficiently. All of this keeps fluid moving through your body like water flowing through a river. But when you fall asleep, everything slows down. Your breathing gets shallow, your heart beats slower. You stop moving completely, and that river of fluid turns into a slow, lazy stream. Your body has two big systems that move fluid around. One is your blood, which your heart pumps. The other is called your lymphatic system, and it's like a drainage network that collects cellular waste and extra water from your tissues. But your lymphatic system does not have a pump like your heart. It only moves when you move. So when you're lying still for 8 hours, that drainage system slows to a crawl, leaving fluid stuck in your tissues. This buildup is what causes puffiness in the morning. It's your body holding on to water that it couldn't drain overnight. Now, let's talk about your kidneys too, because this is where it all connects. Your kidneys act as two little filters inside your body. Every single day, they clean about 150 to 180 liters of fluid. That's like filtering 75 big bottles of soda worth of liquid a day. They take out waste, extra water, toxins, anything that your body doesn't need. Then they send the clean fluid back into your bloodstream and get rid of the bad stuff through your urine. But your kidneys can only do this job when blood is flowing to them. And at night, when everything else slows down, less blood reaches your kidneys. So they can't filter as fast. It's like trying to clean your room with the lights turned way down. I mean, you can still do it, but it takes longer and you miss a bunch of spots. So now you have three things happening at the same time. Gravity isn't pulling fluid down anymore, your lymphatic drainage system isn't moving, and your kidneys are filtering slower. All of this together means fluids get stuck in your tissues instead of getting cleared out like it's supposed to. That's what puffiness really is. It's not fat, it's not aging, it's trapped fluid that your body didn't get a chance to drain while you were sleeping. And you make it even worse when you add toxins into the mix, like the ones hiding in your coffee, your water, and your food. Your kidneys have to work even harder. They're trying to filter out normal waste, plus all these extra toxic chemicals. And when they can't keep up, even more fluid gets trapped. That's why some mornings you look way puffier than others, even when you did everything right. So the real problem isn't that you slept wrong or you ate too much salt. The real problem is that your body's drainage systems shut down overnight and it needs help turning back on. But how do you turn these systems back on? Is there some special trick you need to learn? Maybe an expensive treatment or a complicated routine that takes forever? The answer is so much simpler than what you think. There's a 60-second routine that does all of this at once. It wakes up your circulation, it gets your lymph moving again, and it tells your kidneys, hey, it's time to start filtering at full speed. You can do this every single morning right when you wake up. It takes 1 minute. You don't need any equipment. You don't need to change your clothes. And you can even do it in your pajamas before you brush your teeth. It's called the cat-cow, and it's a simple movement that you do on your hands and knees. Now, you've probably seen it before if you've ever watched any yoga video whatsoever. But most people don't realize how powerful it actually is for supporting healthy fluid balance and waking up your body. Here's why it works so darn well. When you move your spine up and down in this flowing motion, you're squeezing and releasing all the space around your belly and your back. This creates pressure changes inside your body, kind of like squeezing a sponge and then letting it go. That squeezing and releasing pushes fluid through your lymphatic system, which doesn't have its own pump. Again, remember, you become the pump. At the same time, you're moving your spine, which increases blood flow all around your core. More blood flows to your kidneys, and when your kidneys get more blood, they can filter faster. It's like turning up the water pressure in a hose. Everything moves quicker. But there's a secret part that makes this routine even more powerful, combining the movement with deep belly breathing. This is called diaphragmatic breathing, which is just a fancy way of saying that you breathe deep into your stomach instead of shallow breaths into your chest. When you breathe this way, your diaphragm, which is a giant muscle right underneath your lungs, moves up and down like a piston. This creates even more pressure changes in your belly. It massages your organs, it squeezes your lymphatic vessels, and it acts like a natural pump that moves fluid faster than almost anything else that you can do. All of this happens in just 60 seconds and your body responds immediately. Now, let me tell you how to exactly do it. Now get down on your hands and knees. Your hands should be right under your shoulders and your knees should be right underneath your hips. Keep your back flat to start, just like a table. Now, take a big deep breath in through your nose. As you breathe in, drop your belly towards the floor, lift your chest up and look up at the ceiling. This is the cat pose. You should feel like your back is stretching and your belly muscles are working. That's one full cycle right there. Breathe in, drop your belly, lift your chest. Breathe out, round your back, tuck your chin. Keep going back and forth like this, moving with your breath. The key is to breathe deep and slow. You don't need to rush it. Let the movement follow your breathing. Breathe in for 3 or 4 seconds, then breathe out for 3 or 4 seconds. Keep your movements smooth and controlled. Do this for 60 seconds. That's about 6 to 8 full cycles if you're breathing nice and slow. Now, by the time you finish, that you will notice that your face feels lighter and your body feels more awake. The heavy, sluggish feeling you had when you woke up starts to fade. That's your circulation kicking in. That's your lymph starting to drain. That's your kidneys getting the blood flow they need to filter properly again. Now, this 60-second routine is incredibly powerful for reducing the appearance of morning puffiness fast. But even when your circulation and lymph are working perfectly, your kidneys still face a bigger problem that this routine alone can't completely fix. Remember those toxins we talked about at the beginning? The ones hiding in your coffee, your tap water, your breakfast? Those are still there. And every single day, they're putting extra stress on your kidneys. The 60-second cat-cow routine helps you wake up your kidneys and get them working again, but it doesn't help them deal with all the toxins. That is a different problem that needs a completely different solution. That's where detox nutrients come in. These are natural ingredients that science has proven can support the body's natural detoxification processes. They make your kidneys' job easier. There are 6 key nutrients that do this job incredibly well. The first one is called NAC, NAC, which stands for N-acetyl-L-cysteine. This is a powerful antioxidant that serves as a precursor to glutathione, which is the body's primary internal defense system. NAC supports the body's natural detoxification processes and helps protect cells against oxidative stress. It's so powerful, doctors use it in hospitals to protect people's organs when they've been poisoned. The second one is citrus pectin. This comes from fruit and it works like a magnet for heavy metals. It grabs onto lead, cadmium, and arsenic, which are some of the most dangerous metals that have gotten into our water and our food. Then it pulls them out of your body naturally. The third one is selenium. This is a mineral that helps protect cells against oxidative stress. Think of it like a construction crew that comes in and fixes all the broken parts. Selenium helps support your cells, your organs, and even your DNA health. The fourth one is milk thistle. This has been used for thousands of years to protect the liver. Your liver is like your body's main filter, and when it's healthy, it helps your kidneys do their job better. Milk thistle keeps your liver strong, and it helps flush out toxins from food and drinks. The fifth one is dandelion root. Yes, the same dandelion root that you see growing in your yard. It's actually a powerful helper for both your liver and your kidneys. It helps them filter out toxins faster and protects them from damage. It also helps your body make bile, which is a liquid that grabs onto toxins and carries them out. The sixth one is artichoke extract. This helps your liver make more bile and protects it from damage. It also helps your body maintain healthy cholesterol levels, which is an extra bonus. When you put all 6 of these nutrients together, they create a system that supports the body's natural detoxification processes. Your kidneys filter more efficiently, your liver works harder to flush out waste, and as your body finally catches up on the buildup that's been stuck for years, you will notice it. Your face feels tighter and more defined in the mirror. Your skin looks brighter, and that heavy, sluggish feeling fades too. You'll feel lighter and more energized, like your body just hit the reset button. This is why the 60-second routine and internal detox support works so well together. The routine wakes up your drainage system and gets everything moving again. The nutrients help your body actually clean that tough stuff out that's been stuck there for years. Now, I know what you're thinking. Where do I get all these nutrients? Do I have to buy 6 different bottles and take a handful of 6 different pills every day? That's exactly why Zonya created something called Restore Detox. It's a formula that has all 6 of these powerful detox nutrients in one bottle in the exact amounts that clinical studies show actually work. You don't have to hunt for each ingredient separately or guess if you're taking the right amount. It's all there, ready to support your body's natural detox process. Restore Detox was designed specifically to help your kidneys and liver handle the constant toxic load from modern life. It helps flush out heavy metals, pesticides, chemicals from your environment, and all the other toxins that build up in your body over time. It works alongside the 60-second cat-cow routine we talked about. You do the movement in the morning to restart your circulation and drainage. And you take Restore Detox to give your body the internal support it needs to clear out the toxins that are causing the problems in the first place. Because morning puffiness isn't just about how you look. It's a sign that your body's filtration system is struggling. And when you give it the right tools, both the movement and the nutrients, everything starts working better. You look better, you feel better, and your body gets healthier from the inside out. Give the 60-second cat-cow routine a try tomorrow morning. Pay attention to how different your face looks and how much lighter your body feels. And if you're ready to take it to the next level and give your body the deep detox support that it's been asking for, check out Restore Detox by Zonya in the link below. Your body knows how to heal itself. Sometimes it just needs a little help. And now, you know exactly how to give it that help it needs.